Peter, wake up. Come to the kitchen. Quietly.
Mom, it is Saturday. Why are we up so early?
Shh. Peter, today is a special day. Do you remember?
Is it Christmas?
No, silly. It is Anna's birthday. We need to prepare the surprise picnic. Oh, the picnic. I remember now.
I want to help.
Okay, team, we have a lot of work. David, please wash the apples and grapes.
Peter, you help me make the sandwiches. Can I put the cheese on the bread?
Yes. Listen carefully. First, put some butter on the bread.
Good.
Next, put 1 slice of ham.
Like this?
Perfect.
Then, add the cheese and lettuce.
Finally, put another piece of bread on top.
Look at me. I am juggling the apples. Whoops.
David?
Be careful. We don't want bruised apples.
Dad is funny. Mom, how many sandwiches do we need?
We need 20 sandwiches. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Keep going, Peter.
Wait. Listen.
Is it a thief?
No. It is Anna. She is waking up. Hide the food. Quickly.
Where? Where?
Put it in the picnic basket. Cover it with a towel.
Okay, act normal. Everyone, smile.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Anna.
Why are you all in the kitchen?
And why is Dad sweating?
Me? Sweating? I am just exercising. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay.
Do you know what day it is today? It is Saturday. Yes, but is it a special Saturday?
I don't think so. Just a normal Saturday. I have to clean the house today.
And I have to fix the car.
I am very busy.
Oh. You guys are busy. Okay. Anna, why don't you go with Dad? He needs to buy some tools at the shop near the big park.
But I want to stay home.
Please, Anna, help your old dad. Keep me company.
Fine.
Let me change my clothes.
Good job, David. Take her to the park. Drive slowly. Peter and I will take the shortcut and set up the party.
Don't forget the cake, Mom. Okay, I will drive around for 20 minutes. See you at the big oak tree.
I am ready, Dad. Let's go.
You look beautiful today, Anna.
Thanks, Dad. Even if everyone forgot my birthday.
Let's go.
Mom, look. The park is empty. We can choose the best spot.
How about that table near the lake?
No, it is too sunny there. The chocolate cake will melt.
You are right. Let's go under that big tree. It has shade.
Can I hang the balloons?
Yes. Tie them to the chair. Blue, red, and yellow balloons.
The wind is strong today, Mom.
Use the heavy stones to hold the tablecloth. Okay, put the food out.
Ready? I see Dad's car. They are here.
Anna, look over there. Who is under the tree?
That looks like Mom and Peter.
Let's go see.
Surprise!
Happy birthday, Anna!
Oh my God! You didn't forget! Of course not, honey. We wanted to surprise you.
Happy birthday, sis!
I made the sandwiches.
Well, Mom helped a little.
Thank you. This is amazing. I love you guys so much.
Come on, give Dad a hug.
Now, let the party begin.
Who wants to play badminton?
Me! I want to play against Anna. The loser has to wash the dishes tonight. You are on, Peter.
Prepare to lose.
I am the referee. The score is 0-0. Start! Take this.
Too slow.
Nice shot, Anna.
Point for Anna. 1-0.
No fair. The wind moved the ball.
Don't make excuses, Peter. Just play.
Game point. The score is 10-5. Anna wins.
I am tired. I need juice.
Okay, time for the next game. Anna, come here.
What is this? A scarf?
Yes. We will blindfold you. We hid your birthday present somewhere on the grass. You have to find it by listening to our voices.
I can't see anything. Help me.
Okay, Anna. Listen to my voice. Walk forward. 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stop!
There is a tree.
Whoa!
Now, walk straight.
Am I close? Yes. It is near your feet.
Lower.
Lower.
I feel something hard. Is this a box? Yeah! Open your eyes.
Wow. A new pair of sneakers. They are beautiful. Thank you.
Wait. Do you feel that?
Feel what?
A drop of water. Oh no. Look at the sky.
Those clouds are very dark.
Is it gonna rain? But the weather forecast said it was sunny.
Summer rain comes very fast. Quick! Pack everything! The cake! Get the cake!
But look at us. We are wet.
Oh no! Look at my birthday cake! Fell on its side.
Looks like a monster now. Oh dear. It is a bit smashed. This picnic is a disaster.
Hey, look at me.
I am a wet dog.
The cake looks ugly, but let's taste it. It is still chocolate. It is still delicious.
Really? Let me try. You are right. It tastes good.
See? The rain cannot stop us. We are together. We have food. We have ugly cake.
You are right, Dad.
This is the funniest birthday ever. Can I have the big piece of the monster cake?
Peter?
Happy birthday to me! Cheers!